Hello students, in the previous video, we learned that AI can learn and make decisions. But here is a question. If computers don't have a brain like humans, how do they learn? Let's find out by understanding the concept of machine learning. So imagine you are learning to identify animals. You see many pictures like dog, cat, cow, again dog, again cat. So slowly you learn the difference. Computers learn in a similar way. The process that helps AI learn is called machine learning. So machine learning is a way of teaching computers using examples. Fine. So as you can see, AI learns from data just like you do. Now, AI can learn in three different ways. One is supervised, another one is unsupervised, and the last is reinforcement learning, right? So imagine your teacher gives question and answer. One question teacher gives and the answer of that question. Again question 2, answer of question 2, and so on. So you learn faster because the answer are already provided. This is exactly how supervised learning works. Fine. So what is supervised learning? The AI learns from examples that already have correct answers. The answers guide the AI during the learning, right? So the example will be like picture 1 is of cat. Fine. Then picture 2 is of dog. Picture 3 is of cat. Picture 4 is of dog. So already names are given. So AI learns the difference. Soon it can identify a new picture, maybe of cat or dog, whatever. Now, I'll give you one more example. For example, teacher gives 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 3 8. Fine. Now after seeing many examples, you understand the pattern. This is similar to supervised learning. Next comes unsupervised learning. Now imagine in a different situation, your teacher gives you red blocks, blue blocks, green blocks, 3 categories of blocks of red, blue and green color, but gives no instructions. You decide to group similar colors together. Nobody told you the answers. You discovered the pattern yourself. That's it. That is the unsupervised learning. So AI finds patterns without being given correct answers. The AI explores and creates groups on its own. That is unsupervised learning. Now let's understand with one more example. Suppose AI sees apples, bananas, orange, grapes, so many fruits. No names are provided. The condition is that the AI may group them by color, size, shape. It discovers similarities by itself. Another example, let's say of student and teacher. Your teacher gives you a box of stationery which has pencils, any number of erasers, pens, scales. You create groups yourself. Nobody tells you to do how. So that is similar to unsupervised learning. I hope it is clear to you all. Now, so this is one more example like photo labeling, dog versus cat detector, music grouping, shopping patterns. They all comes under the unsupervised learning. Fine. So great job students. Keep exploring, stay curious, stay creative, and you are an AI thinker. Now let's do one activity. You can see there are 3 situations. Situation 1, teacher gives questions with answer. You have to identify the type of learning. Situation 2, students sort books by size without instructions. And situation 3, AI learns from labeled cat and dog images. You have to tell the type of learning. You have to identify the type of learning, right? So today we learned about machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. One more exciting topic is left, that is of reinforcement learning. We'll cover it in the next video. So can AI learn through rewards and mistakes? Just tell me in the comments. So that we'll discuss in the next video. So do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.